GreenHeck, building value in air.
GreenHeck's UL 555 approved three-sided retaining angle installation method for fire and combination fire smoke dampers only requires retaining angles to be installed on three sides of the damper. The fourth side can be attached directly to the opening without the need for an angle. It's perfect for installations where the damper sleeve is tied up against the wall, floor, or other obstruction, and there's no room for a retaining angle. The UL approved installation instructions for other three-sided retaining angle installation methods requires the use of fire stop material on the side without the retaining angle. Confirming that the fire stop material installation requirements have been met can be extremely difficult. GreenHeck's three-sided retaining angle installation method does not require any fire stop material, allowing for a faster, cleaner, and more cost-effective installation. GreenHeck will continue to lead the industry in new and innovative products and solutions.